किसान आंदोलन पर ब्रिटिश संसद में बहस होने के बाद अब भारत ने भी जवाबी स्ट्राइक की है। बीजेपी सांसद अश्विनी वैष्णव ने सदन में यूनाइटेड किंगडम में रेसिज्म का मसला उठाया। अश्विनी वैष्णव ने कहा कि ऑक्सफोर्ड में भारतीय स्टूडेंट रश्मि सामंत के साथ जो हुआ वो गलत था। अश्विनी वैष्णव ने अपने बयान में मेगन मार्कल के इंटरव्यू का भी जिक्र किया और कहा कि इंटरव्यू बताता है कि वहां किस तरह नस्लवाद घर कर चुका है।
I draw the attention of the House to a shared global concern about racism. There appears to be a continuation of attitudes and prejudices from the colonial area, especially in the United Kingdom. Chairman sir, the recent case of Rashmi Samant, a young student from Karnataka, Udupi area, is a classic case in point, sir. She is a bright student from Karnataka. She persevered and overcame all the challenges to become the first Indian woman president of the Oxford Students' Union. What was the treatment meted out to her, sir? Shouldn't this diversity have been celebrated? Instead of that, she was cyberbullied to the point that she had to resign. Even the Hindu religious beliefs of her parents were publicly attacked by a faculty member, and that also went unpunished. Chairman sir, if this happens at an institute like Oxford, what is the kind of message that goes out to the world? The second instance is the widely publicized interview of Meghan Markle, one of the erstwhile members of the royal family of the UK. A behavior of a society is actually a reflection of its beliefs and value systems, Chairman sir. If such practices of racial discrimination are followed at the highest level in a society, what would be the following at the lower level, sir? And these two instances are not isolated instances, Chairman sir. The treatment of migrants and their segregation in the UK on racial basis is very well known all over the world, sir. There is a recent report, Public Health England, which reported that the death rate among people of Asian origins because of COVID-19 is higher than the death rates in other communities in the UK, sir. Doesn't this raise a major question about the equitable access to health, and indeed the entire basic human rights issue can be raised because of this, sir? Sir, we are a country with a large diaspora in the UK. There is a natural concern for all of us. The era of colonialism is over, but the mindset seems to be still persisting. This is where the UK has to change. If it wants our respect, it has to change. Through your kind officer, I request the Honorable EM, External Affairs Minister, to take up this matter with the UK government.
वहीं इस मसले पर विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने राज्यसभा में कहा कि अगर जरूरत पड़ती है तो इन मुद्दों को सही स्थान पर उठाया जाएगा। विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि हम महात्मा गांधी के देश के लोग हैं, ऐसे में नस्लवाद के मुद्दे पर हम कभी आंखें नहीं फेर सकते, वो भी उस देश में जहां भारतीय बड़ी संख्या में रहते हों। यूनाइटेड किंगडम के साथ हमारे अच्छे रिश्ते हैं। अगर कोई मामला सामने आता है तो हम उनके सामने जरूर उठाएंगे। विदेश मंत्री ने सदन में बयान दिया कि हम हर मामले पर बारीकी से नजर रख रहे हैं, ऐसे में जरूरत पड़ने पर ब्रिटिश सरकार के सामने मामला उठाया जाएगा।
I note the sentiments of the House, government does, and I do want to say, sir, that as the land of Mahatma Gandhi, we can never ever turn our eyes away from racism wherever it is, particularly so when it is in a country where we have such a large diaspora. As a friend of the UK, we also have concerns about its reputational impact. What I do want to say, sir, is that we have strong ties with the UK. We will take up such matters with great candor when required. We will monitor these developments very, very closely. We will raise it when required, and we will always champion the fight against racism and other forms of intolerance.
आपको बता दें कि ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में बीते दिनों रश्मि सामंत स्टूडेंट यूनियन की प्रेसिडेंट चुनी गई थी, लेकिन उनके कुछ पुराने सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट वायरल होने के बाद उन्हें निशाने पर लिया गया और शपथ लेने से पहले ही उन्हें इस्तीफा देना पड़ा।
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।